Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is x power 6 is equal to x minus 2 bracket power of 6. To find the values of x from this equation. Now, in the first step, we will take this x minus 2 bracket power of 6 into the left side. So, it will be this, which is x power of 6. This we take to this side will be minus x minus 2 bracket power of 6 is equal to 0. Now, into here in the left side, we make in form of a perfect square. So, x power of 6 into square, it is x power of 3, then bracket square. Because power of 3 times power of 2 is power of 6. Then minus this into square, it will be x minus 2 bracket power of 3, then bracket square. Then it is equal to this 0. Now, into here in the left side is in the form of a perfect square. So, we'll apply a perfect square rule, which is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b bracket times a minus b bracket. Then we'll apply this form here. So, a plus b, it will be this inside the bracket plus this inside the bracket. So, it will be x power of 3 plus x minus 2 bracket this power of 3, then bracket times bracket into here a minus b, it will be this minus this inside the bracket. So x power of 3 minus x minus 2 bracket power of 3 bracket is equal to this 0. Now, into here we have two solutions, whereas this first solution, which is x power of 3 plus x minus 2 bracket power of 3 is equal to this 0, and this second solution, which is x power of 3 minus x minus 2 bracket power of 3 is equal to this 0. Then, to solve from this first solution, here, this is in the form of a perfect cube. So, to apply a perfect cube rule in this form, here x power of 3 plus x minus 2 bracket power of 3. Whereas this is in the form of the rule, which is a power of 3 plus b power of 3 is equal to a plus b bracket times a square minus ab plus b square bracket. Then we'll apply this form, a plus b, it will be x plus x minus 2. So here it will be x plus x minus 2 bracket, then times a square, it will be x square, then minus a times b, it will be x times this bracket x minus 2 bracket, then plus b square, it will be this, which is x minus 2 bracket square, then bracket, it is equal to this 0. So it will be into here x plus x, it will be 2x, then minus 2 bracket, then bracket, here it will be x square, then we take negative x inside the bracket, negative x times x is negative x square, negative x times negative 2, it will be positive 2x, then plus here x minus 2 bracket square, it will be x square, then minus 2 times x times 2, it is 4x, then plus 2 times 2, 2 square, so it is 4, then it is equal to this 0. Then into here it will be this, which is 2x minus 2 bracket, then bracket, here x square minus x square is 0, so this and this will cancel, so it will be this, which is x square, then 2x minus 4x is minus 2x, then this plus 4 bracket is equal to 0. Then into here we have two solutions, whereas this first solution, which is 2x minus 2 is equal to 0, and this second solution x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then from this first solution, we'll take negative 2 into this side, so it will be 2x is equal to 2. Then we'll divide by 2 in both sides, so this and this will cancel, so it will be x is equal to 2 divided by 2, it is 1. So this is the first value of x. Now to solve from this quadratic equation, we'll use quadratic formula to find the values of x. So it will be x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac then over 2a. So it will be x is equal to negative b, it is this negative 2, so it will be bracket negative 2 plus or minus square root of b square, it will be negative 2 bracket square, then minus 4 times a, it is 1, times c is 4, then over 2 times a is 1. So it will be x is equal to negative and negative to be positive 2 plus or minus square root of negative 2 square, it will be positive 4, then minus 4 times 1 times 4, it will be minus 16, then over this time this is 2. So it will be x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16, it will be minus 12, then over this 2. So it will be x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of negative 12. Negative 12 is same as 4 times 3, which is 12, then times negative 1, then over this 2. So it will be x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4, it is 2, times this square root of 3, square root of negative 1, it is I. Then we divide by 2 in this, in both parts, divide in this part and in this part. So here it will be x is equal to 2 divided by 2, it is 1, then plus or minus this 2 and this 2 will cancel, so it will be square root of 3i. So also in here we have two solutions which are complex solutions. Then to solve from the second solution, whereas the second solution it is this, whereas now this will apply perfect cube rule in this form, whereas this is in the form of a power 3 minus b power 3, which is equal to a minus b bracket times a square plus ab plus b square bracket. Then we'll apply this form of a minus b, it will be this minus this, so here it will be bracket x minus this, so it will be bracket x minus 2 bracket bracket, then bracket a square, it will be x square, then plus a times b, it will be x times x minus 2, so x bracket x minus 2 bracket, then plus b square, it will be this square, so here to be plus x minus 2 bracket square, then bracket is equal to this 0. Then into here it will be x, then we take negative inside the bracket, so it will be negative x, negative and negative 2, it will be positive 2 bracket, then bracket here it will be x square, then plus x times x is x square, x times negative 2 is negative 2x, then plus we expand this, so it will be plus here it will be x square, then minus 2 times x times 2, it will be 4x, then plus 2 times 2 is 4, bracket is equal to this 0. Then it will be into here x minus x is 0, so this will cancel, so here it will be left with 2, then bracket here x square plus x square plus x square, it will be 3x square, then negative 2x negative 4x, it will be negative 6x, then plus this here this plus 4 bracket is equal to 0. Then we divide by 2 in this part, in both parts. So this and this will cancel, so it will be 3x squared minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0 divided by 2, it is 0. Then to solve this quadratic equation, we'll solve by using quadratic formula. So from quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So it will be x is equal to negative b, it is this negative 6, so it will be bracket negative 6 bracket plus or minus square root of b square, it will be negative 6 bracket square, then minus 4 times a it is 3, then times c is 4, then over 2 times a is 3. So it will be x is equal to negative and negative to be positive 6 plus or minus square root of negative 6 square is 36. Negative 4 times negative 4 times 4, it is negative 16. Negative 16 times 3, it is negative 48. Then over this times this is 6. So it will be x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 48 is negative 12, then over this 6. So it will be x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of negative 12. Negative 12 is same as 4 times 3 times negative 1, then over this 6. So it will be x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4, it is 2, times this square root of 3, square root of negative 1 is I. Then we divide by 6 in this part and in this part. So it will be x is equal to 6 divided by 6 is 1, then plus or minus into here this we cancel by 1 and this by 3, so it will be square root of 3i over 3. So here square root of 3i over 3. So also into here we have two solutions. Therefore our conclusion, the first value of x is equal to this real solution, which is 1. The second value of x is equal to, into here when it is positive, to be 1 plus square root of 3i. So here 1 plus square root of 3i. The third value of x is equal to, here to be 1 minus square root of 3i. So 1 minus square root of 3i. The fourth value of x is equal to, into this solution here, to be 1 plus square root of 3i over 3. So here 1 plus square root of 3i over 3. The fifth value of x is equal to, here when it is negative, to be 1 minus square root of 3i over 3. So here 1 minus square root of 3i over 3. Therefore these are all the values of x in this our problem, whereas we have one real solution, which is 1, and these 4 complex solutions, because it is they have i's I. So let's check for only this one real solution of x is equal to 1 if we to satisfy our equation. Now to check for the real solution of x is equal to 1 into this our problem here, which is x power of 6 is equal to x minus 2 bracket power of 6. So we substitute the value of x, which is 1, so it will be 1 power of 6 is it equal to 1 minus 2 bracket power of 6. So here to be 1 power of 6 is it equal to 1 minus 2 is negative 1, then bracket this power of 6. Then 1 power of 6 is 1 is equal to negative 1 power of 6, whereas negative 1 power of any even number, it is positive, so it will be positive 1. Now left side and right side are equal, then it is true for the value of x is equal to 1, and also other complex solutions are correct. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.